Hello, you all. I'm Jim. Welcome back to Soldier Farms. I'm in the shop today. I'm going to do a marathon pen turning and try and get some of these knocked out so that I can move on to other projects. My goal for the market is to have, by time first week of June rolls around, when the first market happens here in Springfield. This is the Springfield Farmers Market. I would like to have 30 pins. I would like to have 30 keychains and 30 bottle openers. And to do that, it's going to take some wash, rinse, repeat on my part. So I'm going to go ahead and turn you around to face the lathe, get my apron on, and start making some sawdust. So here we go.
Dawn cracks cold on the frosted pane. Kettle sings low while the bairns still dream. I lace these boots with the same old prayer. Let the work hold fast to keep the payment fair. So raise your glass to the shavings on the floor. Every curl of wood, another open door. When the world says break, I say bend but never bow. I'll play in my path till the grain runs sweet somehow. Make my own luck now. Make my own luck now. Old man Cain says my price is wrong. Once oak for ash and the coin half gone. Smiles like winter, thin and sly, but I see the flicker in his clever eye. So raise your glass to the shavings on the floor. Every curl of wood, another open door. When the world says break, I say bend but never bow. I'll play in my path till the grain runs sweet somehow. Make my own luck now. Make my own luck now. Storms beat hard on a poor man's roof. Rumors bite deep as a rusty tooth. Still I mark my lines, measure twice, cut through. If the path won't come, I'll carve one through. Hey! So raise your glass to the shavings on the floor. Every curl of wood, another open door. When the world says break, I say bend but never bow. I'll play in my path till the grain runs sweet somehow. Make my own luck now. Make my own luck now. Bairns grown tall and the lamps burn clear. Bench scarred deep from the working years. World turned its back, but I turned the wood, and I turned our fate as I always said I would.
Baldy McRae with his shiny crown, Randy Tam Fraser's kilt falling down, Jock we one boot and a blackened eye, stumbled to Maggie's parched near dry. Oh Maggie, ye sly we rose, sweet on the lips, sharp on the nose. We came, we are gold, we left, we are woe. Sing hey, for the laird's new shillings. She poured them a jug, we a sly, we grin. First drink on the house, lads, get it in. Randy cried, Maggie, I'll marry ye twice. She winked to the back, named her price. Oh Maggie, ye sly, we rose, sweet on the lips, sharp on the nose. We came, we are gold, we left, we are woe. Sing hey, for the laird's new shilling. They danced on the table, they roared and swore. Baldy beat rhythm on the oaken floor. Jock kissed a broom, thought it was a bride. Maggie kept count, hand on side. To the laird she said, for your fearless fight. As she signed their marks by candlelight. To the laird they howled, near falling apart, selling themselves like a horse at mart. Come dawn, they awoke in the laird's cold yard, chains on their ankles, working the sward. Maggie rode past with her purse full bright, tossed them a wink, then vanished from sight. Oh Maggie, ye sly, we rose, sweet on the lips, sharp on the nose. We came, we are gold, we left, we are woe. Sing hey, for the laird's new shillings. Oh Maggie,
Junior Lane had a slingshot grin. Michael Ray carved his name in pine. Matthew Lee swore he'd never go home till the daylight quit on our side. Creek mud thick on a worn out boots, pocket knives, twine in a coffee can, setting little snares by the hickaroo like we had some kind of master plan. We were kings of the holler and the cold clear creek, skipping rocks, talking big, never mind the next week. Tin cans jumping on an old fence post, blue jewel flashing where the willow leans low. Three young boys on a long bright lark, chasing off the long days, chasing off the dark. If time ever turned, I'd run straight back to those barefoot tracks on the creek bank path. Shot all the bottles Pop was gonna throw out, counted every clink like a battle. One built deadfall traps where the deer passed through, caught more laughter than anything can run. Bullfrogs boom like a far-off drum, fireflies floated in the summer haze. We swore up high we were never gonna change, that the world stay small as those August days. We were kings of the holler and the cold clear creek, skipping rocks, talking big, never mind the next week. Tin cans jumping on an old fence post, blue jewel flashing where the willow leans low. Three young boys on a long bright lark, chasing all the long days, chasing off the dark. If time ever turned, I'd run straight back to those barefoot tracks on the creek bank path. Junior's got a job in some far-off town. Michael's got a daughter that wears his crown. Matthew's chasing dreams on a red clay road, and I'm just driving past the place we called home. The barn's caved in and the trail's grown wild. That old flat rock's in the weeds and vines. I slow this truck, let the engine sigh. Hear three boys laughing in the back of my mind. Oh, we were kings of the holler and the cold clear creeks, skipping rocks, talking big, never minding next week. Tin cans jumping on an old fence post, blue Jill flashing where the willow leans low. Raised our hopes, raise our own young hearts, let the grown-up years pull us all apart. But when I roll by that gravel track, I feel those barefoot tracks on the creek bank path. Good, clean fun in a crooked world. 3 names carved in an old oak tree. I tap the wheel, whisper, boy, sleep well, and drive on past another life for me.
Hand-carved hearts, strung as stone, from a small barn shop we call home. Soldier Farms, you feel the grain. Every board tells a name. Soldier Farms wood shop, bring the warmth inside. Hang our work where your stories live and hide. Find us on Etsy and Goimajin too. Soldier Farms wood shop, made by hands for you. Hey!
Alright, so there's the double bullet pen. Alright, you all. Thank you very much for joining me as I continue on the pen journey. Please like and subscribe if you have not. Really helps the channel. Thank you very much. I'm trying to grow. We've got 348 subscribers. I would love to make 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. Thank you.